Hi everyone, out at the field again today, just doing a little playing around with different prop, different speed controller. This is the EMAX 2306 2750 kV motor, which I've run in this plane before with a Turnigy Plush 40 amp speed controller and the 6x4 APC gas prop. So today I'm running the 6x4 KMP prop and the HobbyWing Platinum PRO 40 amp speed controller. According to the bench anyway, this combo is supposed to produce about 80 grams more thrust than the gas prop and the plush speed controller. Does draw quite a few more amps, or not actually quite a few, I guess, about 3 more amps, around 41 amps, which goes against what I normally like to do, push the speed controller beyond its base rating. But this has got a very good burst. But anyway, it's cool today as well, about 2 degrees. So we'll see how she goes. See if how fast this little beastie will go. So it has, I think, about an ounce more thrust at mid throttle than the gas prop and plush combo as well. It's certainly a bit louder. You know, these KMP props are a little bit louder than the APC gas. And I'll probably have to look at the video to actually be able to tell you if I think it's that much faster, but boy, it's not wasting any time covering the real estate, that's for sure. I was hoping to fly it today with my RC Powers T50, which I had this motor in, but I'm having a bit of a servo problem, so I didn't want to tempt fate. Oh yeah, just unbelievable amount of torque there. There is a little bit of a wind today, about 5 miles an hour, but you know, I'm just muscling through it just fine. Nice high speed turn there, really just wound right out. So I had to do quite a bit of testing with this HobbyWing Platinum Pro to find the optimum settings for a lot of these higher kV motors, not just quad racing motors, but one other high kV motor. So that took quite a while. I do have a blog post on the bench testing that I did on this recently, you know, comparing the Turnigy Plush on the HobbyWing with 3 different props. This 6x4 KMP, the 6x4 gas, and the 6x4 APC style electric knockoff from Hobby King. Some very interesting results. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, that's really cooking along. I would definitely say this is faster than the last combo with this motor. Great acceleration too. Slightly faster throttle response I'm finding thus far with the HobbyWing Platinum Pro compared to the Turnigy Plush. But you know, you have to pay for that. It's not a cheap speed controller by any means. All right, what can I do? Nice. Nice. All right, so there we have the EMAX 2306 27 kV quad racing motor. So far the most powerful quad racing motor of all the ones I've been testing. Not by a whole lot, but by a narrow margin. So let's just see here. You know, it's just barely warm, the speed controller. Yeah, motor's a tiny bit warm, but yeah, so that might be something that you know, I'd have to watch for you know, in the hotter summer months, maybe running this prop in this motor, you know, when its temperature's mid to high 20s Celsius. Might need to be a little bit more cautious there, but yeah, that thing, that combo really rips. You know, like I was saying a bit, for the most part, most of the setups I've been testing so far, once I went through, I had to actually go through, I guess, about 16 different combinations between timing and PWM, pulse width modulation frequency, to sort of find the best setting. And you know, of course, like everything goes in life, it was the very last one I checked before I found the right one. But for the most part, thus far, every motor prop combo that I've tested with it, once I found that setting, this speed controller is giving about a 5% improvement in power. So eventually I'm going to do a review. I just got the Turnigy AE 45 amp speed controller in the mail yesterday, so eventually I'll be doing some testing with that as well. But yeah, that's a real ripper of a combo on 3-cell. Yeah, so pushing it to the limits, but you know, it's you got to have kind of one plane. Like I said, I'm excited to get it back into the T50 once I get my servo problem sorted out, because that's definitely the fastest piece in my hangar right now. So anyway, folks, thanks very much for watching. As I said before, please check out the comments down below. You'll see more information written up on my blog about the tests and other things. So blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Gorgeous day here today. Thank the Lord. And park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.